Shipping container accommodation can be single story or multiple stories in different forms. In this video, we bring to you the Boho Box Hop Container House in Rockbridge, Ohio, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container accommodation. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. The Boho Box Hop is a unique container house made out of two intermodal containers, a 20-foot and a 40-foot shipping container. The 40-foot container is on the lower level with a 20-foot container stacked diagonally on top. The Boho is in a more intimate setting. Located on 18.5 acres and surrounded by trees, the home comes with all the luxuries of a secluded getaway with solitude and peace. The unique and quaint touches are what makes the interior of this place so special and covetable. From the entrance, a glazed door opens into a spacious living room with a cozy lounge area fitted with a small sitting corner that also doubles up as a sleeping space. It is equipped with a custom coffee table, a lovely sofa bed used as a seat during the day, and drawn out at night as a bed for additional sleeping space. Additional light enters through a column of slit windows in the living room that, along with white walls, further contributes to the bright interior space that it is. Past the living area is a single-walled kitchen, fully furnished with quality appliances, quartz countertops, hexagonal tiled backsplash, under-the-counter cabinets painted in a shade of green, and overhead open storage shelves. The most noteworthy item in the living room is a small Mozo wood stove that keeps the home warm and cozy on colder days. To add dimension to the living space, the kitchen backsplash is extended above the kitchen window, beyond the kitchen counter, all the way below on the floor to accommodate the space, to define the space around the stove, which is both functional and aesthetic. In a clever way to increase storage, the space under the staircase is creatively utilized to accommodate open storage shelves. The bathroom is equipped with the spa-like fixtures, a huge floating bathtub and a shower, a toilet, a vanity with enough storage cabinets, and a large mirror which amplifies and brightens the space, making it feel less cramped, more open, and more spacious. Sliding door made from a tree trunk opens into a laundry room equipped with a washer and dryer. A single flight staircase from the living area in between the two containers connects to the first floor level. On the first floor story, one end is a master bedroom, nicely furnished with a king-sized bed and fitted with adequately sized picture windows to extend the bedroom space and to also offer maximum natural lighting. Waking up to the sun streaming through the large windows and the skylights is a truly breathtaking experience. On the other end of the 20-foot container on the first floor level is fitted with full-height glass doors that open onto a deck that offers incredible views of the landscape and can be opened to catch cross breezes for natural cooling and cross ventilation. The exposed container ceilings are visible throughout the house, giving the spaces an industrial touch. The large transparent glass openings create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection on every level of the house. The high ceilings impart a feeling of loftiness, openness, and volume. The walls are painted white to make the spaces appear more prominent and look brighter, helping to destroy any feel of confinement synonymous with shipping container spaces. From the outside, we can see the plain entrance, the 3 small windows cut in different sizes, and the harmony of the cedar covering that covers the roof space. The harmony of the white color of the house and the cedar coating makes it look simple, but at the same time very elegant. On the back side of the house, there is a large deck with an outdoor chimney, a gas grill, and a hot tub. The entire house has its exterior walls painted white with corrugated container walls left exposed to maintain the industrial language of shipping containers. The house is covered with an additional roof elevated above the shipping containers to shield them from weather elements. This amazing container dwelling is listed as an Airbnb starting at $285 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. We love everything about this amazing shipping container accommodation. Which part of this dwelling appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.